The form is a typical minuet form. Each of the A and B section repeats itself. Both sections have the same rhythms, only the pitches change. A section begins in G major. B section begins in D major. This piece has a traditional classical phrase structure, which is 2 measures plus 2 measures plus 4 measures. The first 2 measures form a phrase. The next 2 measures forms the next phrase. Measures 5 through 9 forms a long phrase of 4 measures. The same phrase structure, short, short, long, applies to the B section as well.